Not too sick, man, I gon' need a medic. Obviously a fly, LV on my belly. Don't be the kind, that I'm my pocket heavy. Have money on my brain, keep talk what you're saying. Talk out with the code that I serve, not the lane. Ice on my neck that shine like a chain. Not that money, man, I know what you're saying. Bitcoin hot, I'm study stocks. I want all the hood, I'm a not that up. I'm flying like this, now I don't need a gas. I'm up on the line, anywhere up on the map.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. Malik here, and today, no, let's start over. What's up, guys? Welcome back. Malik here, and today we're going to be looking at my two trades on NAS100 today on the YouTube portfolio. So basically, I took two losses, two $20 losses, and that was it for today. Today was pretty choppy. I saw the bounce, but I just didn't trade the bounce. You can actually see that the bounce came right into my area here on the chart, like it tapped into the area. Granted, it didn't come down to the bottom of the area, but tapped into the area and started to go up from there. And at 10 o'clock, which is a nice time to enter. So I'm actually planning to look into a model to see that if this is something that happens repetitively. Because when I don't have clean price action from yesterday, the typical price action I like, maybe this might be the strategy to employ to capitalize on a move during the day, like a market open move, because this is between 9:30. This is the 9:30 candle. You can have it push down, close up here, and then the 10 o'clock would have been a bounce move for you to enter to take it to the upside, because you can see about $200 move there in Nasdaq 100. So if you had bet maybe about $40, you would have been able to take advantage of this move. You could have risked $20 to get $100 on this trade. So that would be a 1 to 5 risk reward. So it would have been nice. But let's look into my trades. So I have a trade from, actually got stopped out from yesterday. So typically I entered, let's move this. I mean, I can drive back. So I entered to the downside. So I had two shorts yesterday at 18. So I was looking for that price continuation to the downside. You can see I have an order placed here at 17,971.9, right? And then I had a stop loss of about 40. So is this accurate? The stop loss 4,000. No. 17,951.9 was my stop loss. 17,951.9. That was for $20. 951.9, right? This is what's happening here. Okay, so it was a buy, so that's what mixing it. That's what's mixing it up. So this should instead be a long position on the 18 candle here at 17,971.9. I had a stop loss at 17,951.9. Okay, and that was 200 ticks or $20 exactly. And then I got stopped out. Where did I get stopped out? Got stopped out on the 20. No, got stopped out on the same candle actually, from 18 to 18. So that was the first trade. The second trade got rejected because I went with too big of a size. The next order that I placed was at 22. So whereas 22, and I placed a buy at 22, this one. And my entry was 17,943.4. My stop loss was 17923.1. I actually got stopped out a little higher because they could see it probably pushing down. So you can see 203. And when did I get stopped out? On the next candle over, you can see it actually shows it pretty clearly there. Exactly where I got stopped out. So I had a buy. If I didn't get stopped out on this, I would have been able to take advantage of this move, but it would have been 4 a.m. So I probably still wouldn't get the move. A sell would have been the good position here but you would have been taken out by this candle for sure. If you don't have a big, say you have $100 stop loss, you would have been able to take this move. But if you didn't close it by 9, you'd have been damaged. Very interesting, because you could have, this is basically a session that you could have traded, and this was the other session. Like, interesting. I'm gonna note that as not 1 second. So let's take a look at the instruments that we track every day, and Bitcoin actually crashed to like 61,000 today. Oh, 64, but we're actually down to like 62,000. So we're just pushing down for a while now. So let's actually document this. We're at 64,066 for Bitcoin. Not sure what Tesla did today. Let's see, 171. So very similar to yesterday, very close. IMMR, I mean, the broader market is selling. Let's see if it's the same. Yep, 7.52. Bitfarms, Bitcoin selling, it is selling even more. 2.222. It's about the same, very stagnant. Nvidia, I heard these were selling off today. Is that true? 892. Barely. It came up after the day. At 10, it started to come up. AMD probably the same, above 200. No, 181. A little lower. Interesting. They're not like for like. I think SMCI sold some shares today. They had some offering. See if it's saying it. They reportedly did a stock sale until after close. Stock sale 905. That's right. That. So we have Bitcoin selling lower. Tesla same. Bitcoin miners same. Chips, Nvidia still up. SMCI lower. AMD lower. And I'll see you in the next video. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow will be a better day in trading, I think. It's a Wednesday. And let's just actually make a prediction. So let's look at NAS. NAS with the 100, but I never. Okay. So what are we looking at now? So that's a bullish, is it? So it's two things. It's either a bullish candle to come next, or this becomes a range. So let's look at this. Similar to this. That's what I'm believing. You see how this, so either we break through here or we begin to range a little, and I can play around in these levels. You can see it reacting here, might react here, just to play around with you before you get that breakout again. So let's see if I'm right, but I'm looking bullish, because bullish might be the trade for tomorrow, and I'll close out at some nice profits. See you in the next one. Bye bye.